Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the last OST-2357 Access 2013 tutorial. We are in Part 5, Lesson 5, Create Simple Reports. Here's our steps. We're going to create a report using the report wizard, sort data within the report, group data within the report, save a report, print a report, delete a report, and create a report using a label wizard. Again, just like all the other steps, here are the instructions on how to do each thing. We are going to skip over to the first drill and try to work it out ourselves. All right, so like always, you need to download. Download, extract, save it to where you want to save it, select your folder, extract. We can go into Access, open, browse, Access 5 drill 1, and enable. All right, so click on the Create tab and create Report Wizard. So create Report Wizard. All righty, let's see what we're going to do here. Select the employee table and right here. So we're on employee table, right? So here are the things that we have. We want to move over last name, first name, and state. Last name, first name. So you just click the move arrow. This is to move all. This is to remove one back, and this is to remove all of them back, right? Last name, first name, state. All right. For the grouping level, select the state level. Next, do you want any grouping? You want state. For grouping level, select the state field. For the sort order, select last name, ascending, and first name, ascending. All right, so for sort order, we want last name, ascending, first name, ascending. Then it says we want a stepped layout, portrait, preview the report. Oh, key employees by state for the report table. Next, what do you want to title it? Employees by state. Employees by state. Preview the report. Click finish. So here's our report. It looks like figure 511. We only have one page, but we have 4 employees in Illinois, 4 employees in Indiana, 3 in Kentucky, and 3 in Ohio. All right, the report will be saved and will appear in the print preview. Adjust the zoom setting or the window size as needed. I think we're good. If your report is different, I don't think it's 4, 4, 3, and 3, 4, 4, 3, and 3, so we're good. Could change the theme, but we don't need to. Click design. Report is different. A different theme may be selected as default. Click the design tab. Click the arrow for themes, right? So you would have to exit out of here. Oh, maybe not. Over here. Design tab. Design view. Themes. Then you could change the themes. It looks like PowerPoint. And then, 'cause Make layout adjustments to improve the appearance. Blah, 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 blah. When you're finished formatting, click save. So I think we're good, right? It looks like it did in the whatever, in the sample, right? So, all right. So we're good. So close. Now we are going to print a report. Well, we know how to print a report, right? Open access, double click employees by state, practice changing print settings, change the orientation, landscape, margin 2.25, right? We know how to do all that, right? Print preview. Up here, you can change to landscape, or again, right? We can go into page setup. We can go to page. We can change to landscape. We can change our margins right here. So if we wanted to change the left margin to 2.25, we would do that there. Make the right margin 2. Make sure the page number box fits in the page and no boxes extend onto another page, right? So we can click OK. We can zoom to 100%. We can make this bigger, right? So we have that there. We don't need page numbers because we don't have any page numbers. We only have one page. Change all the margins to 1, change the orientation back to portrait. Again, all easy stuff, right? 1, 1, 1, 1. And there we go. And then close the report. All right, so that's how you do that. Delete a report. I wonder how we do that. Click the report and click delete right there. I think you can also right click. Click on employee social security number. Tap delete. What happens if can you right click delete? Delete. Yes. So you can do it either way. Tap the delete key, choose yes when asked. All right, now we're creating labels. So let's see what we need to do. Start access. Click the employee table. Records in this table we use to create labels. Click the Create tab on the ribbon and click Labels. Create labels right here. On the first wizard screen, select Avery for manufacturers. Select L7560. We got Avery. JKL. L7. What is it? 7560. 7560. This one. Click next. Font name says use Arial 11. Arial 11. Normal font weight. Black text color. Click next. And then on available fields, we want to select the last name field. Last name. Click the right arrow to move the last name onto the prototype line. Put in a comma and a space and do first name. And then tap the enter. And then we want team ID. Team ID. Space. Oops, what am I doing here? Key team ID. I gotcha. Team ID. Put a space and then put the team ID field over there. Click next. Select the last name field in the available fields list. Last name. Oops, that was first name. Last name. Then first name. Click next. Key employee's name and team labels. Employee's name and team labels. That's not how you spell labels. Employee name and team labels. For the labels report names, select see the labels as they will look printed and click finish. See the labels as they look printed and click finished. So here's the labels. Tina Foster, she's on team ID nothing because remember there was 3 of them that didn't have ID numbers, right? And then here's all the rest. Should look like figure 517. And Tina Foster, Alicia Lopez. Yep, that all looks good. And then, of course, you can go and print them, right? We don't really need to do that. Close it. Close it. Your solutions file is there. And that's all there is for these 5 steps or 5 tutorial lessons for Access 2013 for OST 2357. You guys can watch these videos, pause them as you need them, go back and look at them again, and use them for reference even in the future. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck with Access 2013.